Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create responsive image gallery, so let's get started. Before we dive into coding, let me show the final version of the image gallery. I have also added the lightbox feature, so when you click on the image it will pop up in the lightbox. Gallery is fully responsive to all devices. On desktop screens you will find there are 3 images in a row. For tablet sizes, the layout adjusts to showcase 2 images in a row. Finally, on mobile devices, the gallery optimally displays 1 image at a time. Here's the folder structure. I have an index.html file and style.css file. Additionally, in the images folder, there are 6 images, all in the same resolution. These images are the ones I'll be using for the gallery. Okay, let's open VS Code and start coding. I have an HTML code with the main div, and inside it there is a gallery container div. So now I need to add gallery images inside the gallery div. Okay, here is how I add gallery images. I have a div tag with class name image container, and inside that div I have an image tag. So now we need to copy this tag 5 times and change the source attribute in the image tag to the actual image path. So now we are done with the HTML part. Next we need to link the CSS file to our HTML document. Okay, now let's add CSS to our gallery. First we need to style the main div to display flex and justify content center. This will center our gallery on the page. However, currently it's not very visible because our images are too big. Okay, now let's select the image tag and add width 100% to fix the image sizes. Now the images seems fine, but they are taking up the full page, which doesn't look very beautiful, right? So let's set the width and add some padding to make it better. So now let's make our gallery. First select the gallery class and add display grid and grid template columns as shown in this video. Now you can see here that I have set the number to 3. This because I want 3 images in one row. If you prefer 4 images in one row, you can set it to 4 or your preferred number. If you have noticed, there is a small white gap here. To remove that, we need to add display block to the image tag. Now you can see that all the images I used in this project have the same aspect ratio. This is why all the images in the gallery share the same aspect ratio. If you want to set aspect ratio manually, you can do it in image tag by specifying the aspect ratio. If images looks broken, you need to use object with cover. However, I manually cropped my images to the same aspect ratio, so I don't need to use this option. So now when we hover over the images, currently nothing happens. Let's add some hover animation to the images. I forgot to center the title. Let me fix that. The gallery looks fine, but as you can see, it is not responsive for small devices. Let's add some media coverage to make it responsive. So here I have grid template columns set to 2 because in tablet screen sizes, I need 2 images per row. Okay, here you can see that I have also added media queries for mobile screens. In this media query, I have set grid template columns to 1 because I need 1 image per row on mobile devices. Now you can see that we have a responsive gallery for all devices. The only thing left is to add a lightbox feature to the gallery. If you don't want the lightbox feature, you can stop the video now. If you want to add lightbox feature, you can continue with the video. There are many lightbox libraries we can use, such as Lightbox 2, Venobox, Colorbox, and more. All three libraries I mentioned here are open source. For this project, I use Lightbox 2. So let's add Lightbox 2 to our project. First, search for Lightbox 2 on Google. In the search result, click the GitHub link. Once on the GitHub page, you will find a green button labeled code. Click on that button and download the zip file. Now extract the downloaded file and navigate to that folder, and inside you will find a dist folder. Go to that folder. Go to CSS folder and copy lightbox min.css file and paste it into your project folder. Now go to the JS folder and copy the lightbox plus jQuery min.js file and paste it into your project folder. Now go to the images folder and copy all the images, paste them into your images folder in your project directory. Okay, now let's return to our HTML code and link our lightbox CSS file and JS files. So now we are almost done. We need to wrap our image container div with this A tag. Please watch this carefully. Alright guys, let's remove the old code and copy paste new code. So guys, watch this carefully. You need to change the link path in the anchor tag with your image path. So this is it. Now we have a responsive image gallery with a lightbox feature. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel.